Sometimes your entire life can change in an instant.
After getting in an accident, one South Florida man saw his life change when he was diagnosed with a rare spinal cord injury. It's something everyone should know about, and that story's next on Local 10 News at noon.
If you will, for just a moment, imagine being an active 28-year-old working 2 jobs, running 4 miles a day with your entire life ahead of you. And
then one day a car accident leaves you with a chronic disorder few doctors know anything about. As Local 10's Christy Kruger reports, it happened to a Fort Lauderdale man who is now trying to turn his misfortune in a way to help others.
In August 2006, I was involved in a car accident.
28-year-old Chris Burton was rear-ended by another car. The pain in his back was unbearable.
I thought it was mostly just a disc problem.
An MRI revealed he had a rare condition that affects the spinal cord.
Well, it's called Syringomyelia, and basically that is a disruption in the flow of cerebral spinal fluid.
Burton learned few doctors know about this condition, also called SM. There's even confusion about how to pronounce it. Dr. Greg Zorman, chief of neurology for the South Broward Hospital District, says SM can be genetic or, as in Burton's case, caused by trauma.
Syringomyelia is a cavitation in the spinal cord, essentially a hole in the spinal cord.
Dr. Zorman says symptoms appear to be unrelated, and patients are often diagnosed as psychosomatic,
where the patient gets numbness and sensory loss in their upper body and arms. They can get spasticity and paralysis and difficulty walking or using their hands.
Burton has frequent paralysis and seizures and wears a patch for the constant pain. He lost his health insurance at his former job, and it took months for him to receive social services. Health surrogate Paul Aldridge has assisted Burton in getting the care he needs and in forming a foundation to help others.
That's what we want to do, is provide some kind of service for people until the social services kick in.
I decided to start this foundation because I didn't want anybody to have to go through what I've had to go through.
There are currently about 250,000 people in the United States with SM. Burton believes there are a lot more who have it yet to be diagnosed. To learn more about Burton's Foundation, you can simply go to our web channel, local10.com. With your health report, I'm Christy Kruger.